cruise to Roro, dollar to euro, AB to 2,850 euro net plus Italian Social Security to Embark 1,027. Those European APs now sailing in the cruise fleet with flag of convenience, no Social Security in US dollar, sailing international or even Mediterranean. We have Roro. If you are tired of the crowds and the noise and the selfish and everything, and you just want to be with very professional Roro Italian crew, you are European, you have this certification 2.5, you have family members, and you are a married person, and you want them to have Italian Social Security, the pension, the sanitary assistance, the unemployment, all the full benefits which you don't have on board cruise. And then the euro has appreciated 15% with the dollar. You want to sail from Barcelona to Italy, apply urgently, 2,850 euro. It's a 15% difference from 2 months ago, approx, or 3 months. 15 is huge, plus Social Security, and you are tired of this massification of queue everywhere to eat, queue to go to the loo, queue to go to the shower, queue to sleep in a small cabin, massification of humans. You want to be with professionals, Italian flag, Italian professionals, state-of-the-art ships, 37,000, 67,000 tons. Apply, crew inspector, like, subscribe. We're going to continue. At the moment, this 4 months contract, but if you like to have 3 months and 1.5 roster, 2 months and 1, we consider, and we like these propositions because you like to be closer to your family. We are a family company. We care about you, dear European AB. Apply urgently. Molte grazie. Many thanks to you for your time. Look forward to having 400 European APs. Doesn't matter if you are in Germany, full of people that never smile, cold and windy. You want Mediterranean trade. If you are a British, if you are Swedish, Norwegian, because you like to see the sun, people smiling, and you can like to have outdoor, not indoor life. It's only one life. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.